Are you looking for an easy way to make someone an admin on your Instagram group chat? In this video, I will show you the simple steps to do exactly that. I'll explain how to find the right settings and walk you through each step of managing admins in an Instagram group chat. In no time at all, your friend or colleague can become an admin and help manage your Instagram group chat. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on your group chat. After that, tap on your group chat name at the top left of the screen. Once you are on this screen, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see all the members of your Instagram group chat. So if you want to make someone an admin, simply tap on the three little dots right next to their name, and then tap on where it says, Make Admin. And now that person will also be an admin of your Instagram group chat, and they can also help you manage the group. If you no longer want them as an admin, simply tap on those three little dots again and select Remove as Admin. And now they will no longer have admin privileges. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.